Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the signing out text effect in CapCut PC. So go to text to add the text. So I'm going to select the full text to make custom and change for the text. And resize and change for the font style. Go to animation and select in animation. So you can find the alright, just search for the shining out wait the out animation shining out, but it is pro effect. You have to join progress to be able to use this effect. To the track and just for iteration. So here we go, this is the final effect you have on your text. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.